Oh, what's up, guys? Today, we're gonna do Hot Wanted, and last time, we finished all of these. Like, these are the easy ones, am I right? Yeah. And so today, we're gonna do the vents. And yeah, hope you guys like this. If you guys enjoy this video, please like and subscribe because, yeah, really great. Vent repair. Push buttons and make repair. Sounds easy enough, but I see that was a mango repair, which I'm a little terrified at mango. Oh.
Welcome to Vent Repair. Fazbear Entertainment prides itself on having the most comfortable facilities. Each facility is set to a perfect 72 degrees all the time. The 4 active indicator lights mean we have a well-functioning ventilation system. Your headlamp should protect you from any critters who may have stumbled into the ducts. As a certified vent technician, you should need no instruction. However, in case of an emergency, it is important to remember that as the vent technician, you should never, under any circumstances, attempt to...
Oh, shh. What am I supposed to do? Okay. What? Okay. I'm terrified, guys. You open the door. What am I supposed to do? So I gotta listen. No one? No one, no one. No one, no one. What do I do? So what do I do? Green, red, blue. Okay. Green. I don't get it. Wait. Okay. Get back. Okay. Close defense. Okay, thank God.
A perfect 72 degrees.
Yeah.
Good job. See you next time.
Thank you. I don't want to be here anymore. We got mixed nuts. I like these nuts. Okay, yeah, please don't subscribe for that one, but yeah, if you guys like this video, yeah. And bye-bye. See you guys later.